Hi loves, how y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are doing wonderful. So I'm rocking this unit, you guys, because I want to just, y'all, this is so pretty. Okay, I want to just change up my look for a little bit, just to have fun with it. And I wanted to share this with you guys, but this has become like a length retention video. I could not help myself. I like to share. So I'm going to be sharing some of the things that I do whenever I'm rocking a unit, that can help you grow your hair and retain your length. The first thing I do whenever I'm rocking my units, I always massage my scalp with either castor oil or whole oil. Just massage it and get it, your scalp stimulated so they can start the growing process, of course. And the next thing is moisturizing my hair. Of course, you always want to make sure that you moisturize your hair pretty well, especially towards the ends, whereas the oldest and the weakest and the more fragile part, you want to give it extra attention and really moisturize it. Whenever you're twisting or manipulating with your hair, the first thing is you really want to be gentle so that you're not breaking your hair. That is super important. And of course, not braiding too tight, Braiding too tight is convenient when you want your wig to lay flat, but at the same time, if you braid it too tight, it can mess up your edges. It can pull your edges out and cause your hair to fall out. So don't make it too tight. When you're pinning your hair, one thing that you should avoid doing is pinning it close to your scalp, because whenever you pin it close to your scalp, sometimes it can pull your scalp irritated and cause your hair to fall out. So I always make sure that I use my bobby pin is always like stuck in the hair itself as opposed to the scalp or close to the scalp. Sometimes you're not trying to take out your twist or your cornrows to moisturize it, So I just put water, conditioner, like leave-in conditioner in a spray bottle, and add some oils, and then I just spray my twist. Every 2 to 4 days I'll just give it a good spray so that the hair is hydrated under the twist or under the braid, so the hair can be dancing, and saying, yep, I am good, I'm moisturized, so it doesn't fall out, So that's really important, keep your hair hydrated whenever you're rocking your units. That's super important, because wigs can tend to dry up your hair a little bit because of the stocking cap. I always make sure that I massage my edges, y'all. Yes, massage my edges with castor oil so that I can keep these edges growing. Because you guys already know I am on a edges journey. I'm trying to grow out my edges, so I'm not playing around, That's something that you can incorporate as well whenever you're rocking yours. So this is what I'm going to be rocking. I'm telling y'all, I'm feeling this wig. I'm feeling this one. So while I'm trying to put on this wig, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about, how I made this. Alright, you guys. This one is from Laki hair, and it's their 100% virgin hair. I'm going to leave more information in the description box. This is what it came with. It came with lashes, which is what I'm actually rocking in the video. I'm rocking their lashes. And this is the closure that I use. So, yeah, I didn't bleach the knot or anything like that. I just used the closure as it came, just like that. So it's really pretty, The closure came a little bit thin, in the front, so you didn't have to pluck it too much, which was really cool. One thing that I have to say about this wig that I'm like really loving is the amount of hair that sheds, okay? The only time I experienced shedding was when I was cutting the hair as I was sewing it, together. That was one time. And the other time I experienced shedding was when I was combing it. But it didn't even come out that much. I was actually very surprised. So this is a little bit of the hair, what it looks like when it's super wet. So it can, slick it down pretty good if you put defining gels and stuff in there. Another thing is, you don't want to apply your wig adhesive on your edges itself. You want to bring a little bit on your forehead so that your edges don't get ripped out. And of course, the last thing is, you want to take your wig off every single night to prevent your edges from thinning, you know, with the pressure that the wig can give you. Oh my gosh, check out that wig though. It's perfect. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful, you guys. It's so freaking dope. It's not shiny at all. It looks so realistic. Like, when I put it on in the video, that was the first time I put it on since I made it. So I was just kind of like taken back, like, whoa, that's beautiful. Like, I kind of made my like a little bit frizzy. I frizzed mine up a little bit. But if you want yours to be a little bit more sleek, you can sleek this down like all the way down. It's so beautiful, and I'm like seriously obsessed. But I really hope that the tips that I gave help somebody out there. I know that a lot of it was like obvious, you know, but what is obvious for one person is not always obvious for another person. So I hope that this was useful and helpful to somebody out there. So it's really important to still take care of your hair when you're rocking up, you know, your units and changing up your look and all that good stuff, and protective styling and all that. You know, you want to still take care of your hair. You want to be moisturizing, you want to be deep conditioning, and you want to be, you know, rubbing oils on your edges to prevent breakage and all that good stuff. So I hope this helped. You know, I hope this was useful, and I love you guys for watching and listening and being part of my crew. Love you so much. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.